Hello, I am Mr. Holikati SS from Gandhi Natharamji College of D Pharmacy, Solapur. I will teach you today Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. In that we will see the first chapter, that is Introduction to Nomenclature of Organic Chemical System with Heterocyclic Compounds, that is part 3. In last lecture we saw some classification of heterocyclic compound. In that we saw the basic heterocyclic compound, that is 3-membered ring with 1 heteroatom. Next we saw the 5-membered ring with 1 heteroatom with some examples. Next we saw the 5-membered with 2 heteroatom. In that first we saw the with 2 nitrogen atom. Next we saw the with 1 nitrogen and 1 oxygen atom in 5-membered ring. Next we saw the in 5-membered ring with 1 nitrogen and 1 sulfur atom. Next we saw the 2 nitrogen and 1 sulfur atom. Next one is 5-membered ring with 4 nitrogen atoms. These are some 5-membered ring examples. Next we saw the 6-membered with 1 heteroatom. Next we saw the 6-membered with 2 heteroatoms with some examples. Next we saw the with 1 nitrogen and 1 sulfur atom in 6-membered ring. These are some examples we saw. Next today we will see some examples of fused rings. So what is meant by fused rings? In this there will be a totally 2 or 3 or more rings. These are fused with each other. That is called as fused rings. In that the rings may be containing 1 heteroatom or more. The rings containing 2 heteroatom fused with each other. In that we will see the first one is heterocyclic rings fused to carbocyclic rings. First one is heterocyclic rings that is fused to carbocyclic rings. In that first one we will see the indole, that is fused benzene plus pyrrole. In that we see the pyrrole, this is the heterocyclic ring, benzene, that is the carbocyclic ring. What is in the carbocyclic ring? The carbocyclic ring that is only containing the carbon, not having any heteroatom. And heterocyclic ring means that is containing carbon with heteroatom. This is the first example, that is indole. This is the structure of this indole. In this we will see the one carbocyclic ring. This is the benzene, this is the carbocyclic ring, and this is the pyrrole, that is the heterocyclic ring, and this is the fused with each other. The numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The next example is benzimidazole. In this there will be benzene plus imidazole ring. I already saw the imidazole. This is the 5-membered ring, that is imidazole. In this containing 2 heteroatoms, that is 2 hydrogens are present. But this imidazole ring is fused with the benzene. That is called as benzimidazole. Next example is quinoline. This is the benzene plus pyridine. This is the structure of pyridine. This is the 6-membered heterocyclic ring is combined with the carbocyclic compound or carbocyclic ring. That is, in this there will be a carbocyclic is benzene ring that is fused with the pyridine. That is the heterocyclic compound or heterocyclic ring. The example that is called as quinoline. Next example is isoquinoline. In this there will be a benzene plus nitrogen at a second in pyridine. This is also same, but there will be only nitrogen position is different. In this there will be a nitrogen is second position, but in this there will be a nitrogen at first position in quinoline. But isoquinoline there will be a nitrogen at second position in the pyridine. The numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the nitrogen at second position, so that it is called as the isoquinoline. If nitrogen is first position, that should be called as the quinoline. That is the difference between quinoline and isoquinoline. Next we will see the quinazoline. This is the benzene plus pyrimidine. This is the pyrimidine structure, that is the 6-membered ring that is containing 2 nitrogen heteroatom at position first and third position, that is called pyrimidine. That is combined with the carbocyclic ring, that is benzene. This is the benzene and this is the pyrimidine. The structure called as quinazoline. Next we will see the example is acridine. That is the anthracene replace 10th with nitrogen. That is 10th carbon with nitrogen. Actually this is the anthracene if there is the absence of nitrogen in presence of carbon, that is called as anthracene. But in 10th position there will be carbon is replaced by a nitrogen. This carbon is replaced by adding a heteroatom nitrogen, that is called as acridine. The numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is 10. That is benzene plus pyridine plus benzene. This is the benzene ring, this is also benzene ring and this is the pyridine structure. 2 benzene in between, there will be a pyridine ring, so that this is called as acridine. It is also called as dibenzopyridine. Di means 2, benzo means benzene, pyridine means it is heterocyclic ring. That is called as dibenzopyridine. It is also called as acridine. Next example is phenothiazone. This is the benzene plus thiazine plus benzene. In this we will see the sulfur and nitrogen is added. This is the ring, it is called as thiazine. These are the 2 benzene rings. It is benzene, thiazine, benzene. So it is called as phenothiazone. Next example is, next class is heterocyclic rings fused to heterocyclic rings. In that we will see the 2 heterocyclic rings are fused. First one is purine. This one is the heterocycle. This is the another heterocycle. This is 5-membered ring. And this is 6-membered ring. And this is 5-membered ring fused with each other. That is forms the purine. Next one is xanthine. Next one is pteridine. The last one is propane. These are the examples of heterocyclic rings fused to heterocyclic rings. Again we will see some revision. In this lecture we saw the fused rings. First one is heterocyclic rings fused to carbocyclic rings. First example is indole. Second one is benzimidazole. Third one is quinoline. Fourth one is isoquinoline. Next one is quinazoline. Next one is the acridine. Next one is phenothiazone, that is benzene, thiazine and benzene rings. Next one is the heterocyclic rings fused to heterocyclic rings. First one is purine, xanthine, pyridine. The last one is propane. Thank you.